Are you a woman on an inner healing journey? Then let me read something to you. The process of self-healing is the privilege of every being. Self-healing is not a miracle, nor is self-healing a dramatization of the personality as though you could do something superior. Self-healing is a genuine process of the relationship between the physical, between the body, and the infinite power of the soul. Self-healing is the privilege of every being. So self-healing is something that you can do, and this breathing meditation that I'm about to share with you is going to help you balance your nervous system and your glandular system, and it's a really great one to do before doing a Chantra meditation. Let me show it to you. So come sitting in easy pose on the floor, on a chair, and then bring your hands in front of your heart center. Your left hand closest to the heart, your right hand in front of the left, and then connect your thumb tips together and let your eyes almost close. They're open a tiny little slit, and making sure that your hands and your forearms are parallel to the ground, and keeping your breath through the nose with this breathing pattern. A slow, deep, gentle inhale, and then suspending your breath as you mentally chant Satnam, 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 Satnam. Exhale air out. Hold air out. Mentally repeat Satnam, 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 Satnam. Continue this breathing pattern. And inhaling deeply, exhale, hands release, backs of palms on thighs, thumb and index finger touching Gyan Mudra, breathe. And there you are, balanced nervous system.